is for aeroplane. Aeroplane means Havai Jahaz. B is for banana. Banana means kela. C is for cake. Cake means kek. D is for duck. Duck means batakh. E is for egg. Egg means anda. F is for frog. Frog means mendak. G is for grapes. Grapes means angur. H is for hat. Hat means topi. I is for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J is for juice. Juice means rus. K is for king. King means raja. L is for lamp. Lamp means lamp. M is for moon. Moon means chad. N is for nest. Nest means ghosla. O is for owl. Owl means ullu. P is for parrot. Parrot means tota. Q is for queen. Queen means rani. R is for rat. Rat means chuha. S is for sun. Sun means suraj. T is for train. Train means railgadi. U is for umbrella. Umbrella means chata. V is for violin. Violin means violin. W is for watermelon. Watermelon means tarboos. X is for xylophone. Xylophone means xylophone. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt means dahi. Z is for zipper. Zipper means jipper. And that's a wrap for today's video, kids. I hope you had as much fun learning the ABCD of alphabets with their Hindi meanings as I did teaching you. Don't forget to practice these words every day to become language experts. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, take care and keep learning. Bye-bye.